Hello, today we will guide you through how to open Slack in app instead of browser. If Slack links keep opening in your web browser and you'd rather use the desktop app, this quick process should help. We'll walk through the simple way to prompt Slack to open directly in the app instead, starting from a Slack page already open in your browser. Begin by going to your Slack workspace in the browser. You should already be on a Slack page, such as a channel view. This confirms that you're currently using Slack on the web and gives you the right starting point for switching over to the desktop app experience. Next, open a new browser tab. This helps keep your current Slack page available while you access the special Slack link that tells your device to launch the app. Opening a fresh tab also makes the process easier to follow without losing your place in Slack. In the address bar of that new tab, type slack.com app open and then press enter. This page is designed specifically to hand off from the browser to the Slack desktop application. If the Slack app is installed on your computer, this link should trigger the option to open Slack directly in the app. Once the page loads, look for the Open Slack button and click it. This is the main action that tells your browser you want to leave the web version and continue in the Slack app. Depending on your browser and system settings, you may see a confirmation prompt asking whether you want to allow the browser to open Slack. If that prompt appears on your screen, click Open Slack again to confirm. This second confirmation is normal and is simply a security step built into most browsers. After you approve it, Slack should launch in the desktop app instead of continuing in the browser. If nothing happens right away, give it a moment, since some systems take a few seconds to switch over. It also helps to make sure the Slack desktop app is already installed. If it isn't installed, the browser may keep you on the web version until the app is available on your device. After the app opens, you should be able to continue working in Slack there rather than in your browser. That can make notifications, switching workspaces, and day-to-day messaging feel a bit smoother. And that's it. You've used Slack's app open link to move from the browser version to the desktop app. Thanks for following along, and we hope this makes accessing Slack a little more convenient.